Hi guys. Hi guys, Molweni. Hey, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Akona Shoba and this is the Shoba's Home, where we document absolutely like everything: homemaking, parenting, marriage, family, and everything in between, mainly in the form of vlogs. Please subscribe to my channel, comment and like. So guys, today is, I forgot the date, but it is Sunday. I didn't go to church, so I'm deciding to open this vlog. I don't know what I will be doing after this, because I'm doing the intro so that I can just not. So guys, this is what I'm gonna wear today. I'm gonna wear the dress that I showed you from Mr. Price, and then this bag that I got from Legit long time ago, and then the shoes are from Legit, if not H&M, not sure. Then the hat is from Pep, and then the sunnies are from Mr. Price. So I'm just gonna give you maybe the mirror claims because I am really late. I have to go now. Guys, this is the whole fit, and I'm done with the hat. I decided to put it like this, the back part, then I put it in the front so that the bow. And then with the perfume, I'm gonna go in with this La Bella Vive. I'm parting with that. So yeah guys, let's go. I'm not taking you with me, you guys, because those places that I'm going to, they are very dodgy. So yeah, see you on the flip side. Bathi ngoma emnandi yaphinda ke. So I came back again for the wings. Bengi-stressed bakwethu. Then with the drink, of course. This is a mocktail. This lunch, guys, it's less than 100 rand. I'm going to 65 rand, a mocktail 25 rand, which makes 90 rand. Give them suit. Cela usineze review yama-wings Mkhozi anjani?
Listen, best wings ever. Shonaspa Bonlut.
Hayi bandla
Very
mnandi.
happy.
Very
Very happy.
sakhona lo wenza ama-interviews akahle. Okay, so this is the drink Mkhozi. She wanted in strawberry milkshake, and I'm here with my cocktail. So guys, it was later that day and I came back tidying, or I firstly slept, then took a nap, and then I woke up to do some small tidying in the lounge. So they were trying to fix the pillows. After that, I was gonna sweep the floors. So yeah, it's me there taking some things, fixing them. Yeah, but slowly and surely we'll get there. So I was making sure that each and every sofa was being cleaned and tidied up because it was late, and after this I was gonna take a bath and start cooking, of which that's what you're gonna see in the next clip. So also took the rug outside ukuyoyisusa dust so that I was gonna sweep. So yeah, I cleaned and I cleaned and I cleaned and I cleaned and I cleaned. So guys, we are making a sausage soup. I have the leftover rice from yesterday. So yeah, let's go. These are my ingredients. It's Knorrox cubes. It's oyster sauce, Mozambican peri peri sauce. We have the top class mixed spice, Robertson's lemon and herb spice, then Robertson's traditional brands, and then we have our wors or sausage. We are making a sausage soup. So this is the food, you guys. The oil. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. We will meet each other or see each other in the next vlog.